My channel is not about me. My channel is about you. It's about me passing on to you what I've learned or what I know how to do. In this channel, that's all you're going to find is encouragement. You got this. You can do it. I believe in you.
You're lying next to someone. You don't even need to play pretend.
In today's video, I'm going to be working on a project from the dollar store, and I am so excited about it. I belong to a Dollarama Facebook group. When they have finds, they always put pictures, and I got this here and there, and it's so helpful. So one of them did show this Tic-Tac board game, and it's all in this beautiful wooden box. And you can see, oh my gosh, this is so nice. $4, guys. You can't beat that. So I went to 4 local dollar stores and they didn't have it. I went back on the group and I said, you know, where can I find it in this area? Boom! 5 minutes later, they're at so-and-so location. I went there, they had 2 left. So of course, hello, I bought the last 2. In the backyard, I have different sitting areas with little tables. And I thought, how wonderful to just kind of put one in different colors, kind of put them on the table. When somebody's sitting there having a drink or chit-chatting, they can just, you know, play a game. I thought, why not? $4, you can't beat that. So I went to another location and I got 2 more. So now I have 4. These are really good, I think, for a child's birthday party, for the little gift bags. I mean, $4, guys. You can't beat that. So before I go on chit-chat my little heart out, let's get to the video.
Like you don't need anyone else, because all I need is you. The way you play with your hair, and now you're always wearing denim.
I'm going to be using Sherwin-Williams, and this is Dovetail.
Breathing about you is the reason I can't spend one more day without you. Oh, so tell me, girl, 'cause I really wanna know. Do I make you wanna run away with me? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone? Do I make you wanna run and just be wild and free? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone else? Like you don't need anyone else? Because all I need is you. Oh, won't you run away with me?
I'm going to let these dry now, and then I'll give it a second coat tomorrow.
Oh, won't you run away with me? I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds. And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch,
I just wanted to show you also, I bought this at Dollarama. It's an olive oil bottle. but I really like the design it had here. And for $2, I thought it's a good price to try something. So I'm going to try something, another design here and here. Not sure how that's going to turn out, but I am accumulating a few projects like this so I can do it all in one video to show you guys. Did it all gray, did the checks around, painted it inside gray, and I've done pink polka dots. I've painted the black X's with pink, and then I roughed it up to kind of distress it a little bit, and I've left the O's white. So I'm going to wait for this to dry, and then we'll put it together for you to see.
Never knew that it could feel this way when you lie next to someone. You don't even need to play pretend, 'cause you find the way you are. I wanna know you better, give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when you're lying in my arms. My heart is open, it just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. So just stay for a little while. I didn't think that I would find that someone who's as honest as you are. The way you make me feel at night when I am vulnerable.
If this is your first time here, welcome. And if you enjoyed this video, I would ask that you consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean so much to me. And it's my birthday in July. I'm still 6 months away, but I am hoping to get to 5,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. It would mean so much to me. It would definitely make my birthday wish come true. So that's it for now. Always remember that you want to reach a point in your life when you say remember when, and never ever I wish I did. We'll see you next time.
Vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better, give me every detail.